Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to celebrate your winners with the win screen and celebration settings. In the Design tab, scroll down to the Win Screen and Celebration section. This premium feature lets you add an extra layer of joy to every win. First, enable the Confetti explosion. You can use the intensity slider to control the particle count, from a light sprinkle to a full party. For a premium look, you can switch to the stars style or even party emojis. To make it even more rewarding, let's add a celebration sound. Toggle it on and use the Browse button to pick any audio file from your media library or an external URL. Once you've saved your settings, let's see it on the front end. When the wheel stops, there it is, a perfect star explosion with a celebratory sound. If you want to test the effect again as a fresh user, just hit the Reset Test State button in the header to clear your spin history. These simple details transform your giveaway into a memorable event. Thanks for watching.